Today, goals can be really helpful for students, especially if you're using roadmaps. So, what I like to do is if I'm creating a roadmap, this is using backwards design where I will think what I want my students to do from the start to the finish. And I like to add these little numbers up here. And so, right here are two different examples of today's goals. Students will come in and they'll see that to be on pace, they need to be at a certain step on the roadmap. So, for this case, they need to be at box number 10. If they are not, then they are behind pace. If they're at 10, then they're on pace. If they get ahead of 10, then those students are ahead of pace. So their goal is to kind of be on pace or ahead of pace. If students need a mini lesson, or this is the mini lesson that you're choosing, you can talk about, okay, today we're going to be talking about restating. So if you need help with that, I'm going to be doing a mini lesson at these times, and you can support your students that way. If students get ahead and they get stuck or need your help and you're helping other students, you can provide them a can do list of different activities they can work on independently. And then sometimes you might need to add different clarification to help your students know exactly what they should do. Or if they need to do something to help them understand the prompt. Or maybe you created another video to help your students. So it usually has what they need to do to be on task, a mini lesson, what they can work on if they get stuck or need some appendant time, or some clarification for updated directions.